In this video today I'll show you how you can make money online with a simple strategy. You don't need any experience for this and it's absolutely free and worldwide available so anyone can join. If you want to know how you can set it up properly, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every instruction right. But just before we start, as always, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get updated whenever I upload a brand new strategy just like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. Without any further ado, let's start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And the very first website that we need to go over is this one here called Uplip. This is over at uplip.com. As you can see on here, you can buy Instagram followers and grow your account faster. So you can get some Instagram followers safely and securely through Uplip. But the thing is that we are not coming here in order to get some Instagram followers and to spend some money here on Uplip. We are going to do something else in order to get paid from it. So first of all, you can see all of the features that Uplip has to offer, but I want to mention that this platform has been mentioned in Forbes, New York Post, BuzzFeed, and so on and so forth. And also you can check out some other features and also reviews from people that have used it. So what you need to do after that is to scroll down all the way till the bottom of this platform, of this website, and then you need to go over affiliates, which is underneath the learn section. So today we are going to promote Uplip as an affiliate. So we are here over their affiliate program and we can know more about it. You can help others grow their Instagram audience faster and get commissions at the same time. So you're going to become an affiliate over here for absolutely free. Just like I mentioned you, this is a free strategy. You can get started. It's very simple and I'm going to show you how. Then you're going to just generate your custom URL. You're going to get your own affiliate URLs that you can just share with other people. So share your URL everywhere. You can start sharing it in order to earn some recurring commissions. So they value affiliates of all sizes, so you can even be a beginner and you can still try this out in order to get paid. Their top affiliates get paid out over $10,000 monthly, which is crazy actually. So you need to put some time and effort into this if you want to be a top affiliate in order to earn a lot of money over here. So you can even track earnings and of course get paid. You're going to be able to track every new client that you are going to bring here on Uplip through your own dedicated affiliate panel. So you're going to have like a dashboard where you can track everything over there. Each client that you bring over here delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Uplip, and payments are made at thresholds. So we are going to get a 30% commissions for each person that you bring over here. You may not think that this is a lot, but still I'm going to show you where you can find a lot of people that want to grow on Instagram. And you may know that there are a lot of people actually that want to grow their Instagram account to get more followers, because Instagram is very popular nowadays and people love to get a lot of followers over their Instagram page. So you're going to see over here that you're going to have your own dashboard. Of course, you're going to track every order. You're going to get paid in time. You can get big payouts for every subscriber that you bring all the way, and you are going to get paid on time. You're going to see their commissions. So a new client means a payout for you for as long as they keep placing orders. So this means that the commissions are recurring. So every time someone, your client, purchases something, even after some month that they have been referred over here by you, you're going to get paid even after sometimes. So it's a simple setup. It takes like a few minutes. You're going to see that they offer also dedicated support for you. In order to get started, all you need to do is to just click on become an affiliate now, and then you're going to just put your first name, last name, email address, a password, then click here I'm not a robot, I agree to the terms of service, and then click on sign up now. Then you'll be able to just get your affiliate link that you can start sharing with people. And of course I'm going to show you the traffic source that you can use in order to find thousands of people that are going to be interested in growing on Instagram. So Something else I want to show you are their pricing plans. You can see over here they offer the cheapest package, which is like just $3, and they deliver 100 followers, and also they have some other features over here. You have 500 followers for $5, and more like 1,000 followers for $9. The $5 package is like the most selected one, so you're going to see that this package does not cost a lot, and this means that people will be willing to give it a try for just like $3 or $5 or even $9, because it is not a lot, and you can get even more people to just try this platform through your affiliate link. So I know that getting like 30% of $9 or $5 is not a lot, but still I'm going to show you where you can find thousands of people, so you can be able to be even one of their top affiliates and get paid like $10,000 per month, which is a lot actually. So you just need to find people so you can refer over here. And what you can do for that purpose is to go over to the traffic source called Quora. All you need to do on Quora is to first create an account for absolutely free by clicking here sign up with your email address, or you can continue with Facebook or with Google. And as you may know, Quora is like a community based website where people gather in order to discuss about anything. You have a lot of categories here, and what you need to do over here is to search here on the search bar for how to grow on Instagram, so or how to get more Instagram followers, and it's going to give you a lot of people that have just ask this question, so you're going to reply to all of them. As you can see, you have a lot of questions related to the topic. Something I want to show you is the responses from other people that is going to be even new, and you're going to see that people are just providing some information about that, but they are even putting some links over here. As you can see, Instagram followers generator, they are putting links of websites that help to grow on Instagram, and you're going to do the same thing just like these people are doing. So first of all, I just recommend you go over to Bitly. You can shorten your link over there so it may look more professional, and after that you can go over to Google and search for how to grow on Instagram. Here you can find a lot of articles, you can do your own research, you can get all of these tips, for example. And then you can go over to a question here on Quora, and you can reply to people by saying those tips, and then you can just put like if they want to grow with a website, you can suggest Uplip, and you can put your affiliate link over there. Don't mention the name of the website, you can just put some of the features that they offer, and of course you're going to leave your affiliate link over there, just like these other people are doing, the one that I showed you before. And like this, you're going to target a lot of people actually and make a lot of money, because people can see your response even after some months and years, because it's going to be over here in Quora, and whenever people search for this kind of question, they are going to see your response, and they can click on your link, and you can make money in passive income, which is the most important thing. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.